Continued research when it comes to wild oats resistance, it's so important. And I always come back to something that Eric Johnson said from the U of S, and that's that you're never going to be able to spray your way out of a wild oats resistance issue. So being able to, fund that research that's looking at different modes of action, different cultural practices, the way that you see those sorts of things. It's super important to be able to keep that going, because eventually we are going to run out of herbicide groups that we can use. So super important.
It's vitally important. That's what we need. It's hard for farmers to go and do their own trials. We're busy enough just trying to get the crop in and the crop off. So yeah, I think the investment is absolutely critical to the success of us and the success of us managing these weeds.
Well, I think it's extremely important to continue to fund research. The thing that goes along with the research is the publication of the research, and you have a broader audience that it gets to. For myself, doing what I did on my farm, my neighbors knew what I was doing. A few people close around knew what I was doing, but the broader audience didn't. And I think that's why it's so important to continue with research to help with the awareness, and also to possibly help with future development of different modes of action of herbicides. If we better understand how the wild oats became resistant to the herbicide groups they did, perhaps that will help herbicide companies focus in a different direction.